Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Moomoo Desktop. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that offers a wide range of features and tools for investors. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo Desktop application from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you can create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your account balance, portfolio, and market data. The main dashboard is divided into several sections, including the navigation menu, watch list, and charting area. The navigation menu allows you to access different features and tools, such as trading, research, and account settings. The watch list allows you to track your favorite stocks and view real-time market data. The charting area provides advanced charting tools and technical indicators to help you analyze market trends. To place a trade, click on the trading button in the navigation menu and select the type of trade you want to make, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the stock symbol, quantity, and price, and then click on the buy or sell button to execute the trade. Moomoo Desktop also offers a range of research and analysis tools, including real-time market data, news feeds, and technical indicators. You can use these tools to stay up to date with market trends and make informed investment decisions. In addition to trading and research, Moomoo Desktop also offers a range of account management features, including account settings, portfolio tracking, and transaction history. You can use these features to manage your account, track your portfolio, and view your transaction history. To get the most out of Moomoo Desktop, it is recommended that you customize the platform to suit your needs. You can do this by adjusting the layout, adding or removing widgets, and setting up custom alerts and notifications. By following these steps and using the features and tools available on Moomoo Desktop, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always use risk management techniques and to educate yourself on trading and investing before making any investment decisions.